Kulavakasutta, The Bird Nests, SN 11.6, Samyutta Nikaya, translated by Bhikkhu Bodhi. Reading from suttacentral.net, Thursday, May 12th, 2022. At Savatthi, Bhikkhus, once in the past the Devas and the Asuras were arrayed for battle. In that battle, the Asuras won and the Devas were defeated. In defeat, the Devas withdrew towards the north, while the Asuras pursued them. Then Sakka, lord of the Devas, addressed his charioteer Matali in verse. Avoid, O Matali, with your chariot pole, the bird nests in the silk cotton woods. Let us surrender our lives to the Asuras, rather than make these birds nestless. Yes, your lordship, Matali the charioteer replied, and he turned back the chariot with its team of 1,000 thoroughbreds. Then, Bhikkhus, it occurred to the Asuras. Now Sakka's chariot with its team of 1,000 thoroughbreds has turned back. The Devas will engage in battle with the Asuras for a second time. Stricken by fear, they entered the city of the Asuras. In this way, Bhikkhus, Sakka, lord of the Devas, won a victory by means of righteousness itself.